Hi, I'm Abel with Redwater Media, and this is Marketing Monday Tip of the Week. Today, we're diving into a crucial area for commercial contractors, your company website. This is your 24-hour representative, and first impressions matter. Your company website may unintentionally turn prospects away and be costing you valuable clients. Your website must be putting its best foot forward. Here are 4 common mistakes that occur on many small business websites and how to resolve them. Mistake number 1, not mobile friendly. Nearly everyone uses smartphones these days. Imagine a potential client searching for a contractor on their phone and encountering a website that is impossible to navigate. Not good. Here's the fix. Your website must be 100% responsive, which means it adjusts perfectly for any device's screen, whether it be a phone, tablet, laptop. People should be able to find your business website online with ease, no matter the device or screen size they're using. Mistake number 2, lack of clear calls to action. Your website visitors shouldn't have to guess what to do next. A clear call to action tells them exactly what step to take, whether it's contacting you for a quote or scheduling a consultation or buying your product. The fix? Use strong action verbs like get a free quote or schedule a consultation now. Make your calls to action prominent and easy to find on every page. Mistake number 3, outdated information. Imagine showcasing outdated products or having outdated contact details. It screams unprofessional, and that totally loses trust. The fix: keep your website content fresh, regularly update project galleries, showcase recent work, and ensure all contact information is accurate. And mistake number 4, slow loading speed. People are impatient. If your website takes too long to load, potential clients will bounce off the page before they even see the services, solutions, products, whatever you have to offer. Again, another opportunity to make or break trust with your prospects. Here's the fix: optimize your website for speed. This could involve things like compressing images, reducing HTTP requests, and using reliable, industry-standard, robust web hosting services. These are just a few examples. Remember, a good website is all about the user experience, also known as UX. It should be easy to navigate, visually appealing, and provide information potential clients need to make that decision to pursue business with you. Lastly, another website item to consider is search engine optimization, better known as SEO. A well-designed website with relevant content is more likely to rank higher in search results, leading to more organic traffic. By fixing these website mistakes, you'll begin to foster a user-friendly experience that attracts potential clients and boosts your bottom line. Need help building or rebuilding a website that converts? I'm more than happy to talk about your digital business goals. Contact Redwater Media today to see if we're a good fit for each other. Thanks for joining me on Marketing Monday. We'll see you next week.